welcome to a typical morning routine in quarantine. Since quarantine started, I have really been able to take my time in the morning. Before, when I was going into the office, I was so rushed in the morning and I just feel so relaxed being able to take my time and get ready. After I brush my teeth and wash my face, it's time to say good morning to Clay and eat a bowl of cereal.
Love hard to breathe more, drink less. I wanna be seen at my best. Sleep more, be nice a lot less. All I need is 21 days and I'm fine.
I used to drink a cup of coffee every morning, but ever since working from home, I have been enjoying a cup of iced matcha, and this is my first time using the traditional way of making a matcha, but basically you start off with pouring hot water over the bamboo whisk so it softens up the bristles, and then dump out the hot water, and then you're going to go in with your matcha and scoop that in.
I'm always judging and degrading. I should stop all that, I'm sure, but I'm just too insecure. I wanna be good to myself. Love hard to breathe more, drink less. I wanna be seen at my best. Sleep more, be nice a lot less. All I need is 21 days and I'm fine. Jenn, you everyone, I'ma still need more time. Every single year, yeah, it never fails, I try. But maybe I don't ever wanna put down this life. All I need is 21 days and I'm fine. Jenn, you everyone, I'ma still need more.
And I can only drink iced water, so I prepare my water with ice and I try to drink 4 to 5 of these a day.
But maybe I don't ever wanna put down this life.
And then it's time for me to get ready, so I gotta pop in my contacts, and then I'm gonna go in with some ordinary toner all over the face on a reusable cotton round. And then I'm going to use this Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster all over the face. For my moisturizer and SPF, I've been using this CeraVe Ultralight Moisturizing Lotion. Since I don't wear makeup on the daily, I like to brighten my under eyes with the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. And the only makeup product that I wear on a daily basis is a little bit of brow powder. So this is the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder in the number 3. To give my face a little bit of life, I just put on a little bit of lip oil from Ulta. And then every morning I go and check on my garden and water if it needs to, and it's growing, but definitely not the best. So if anybody has any tips out there on gardening, please let your girl know. But I do have some zucchini coming in, and I have 5 whole tomatoes growing as well.
If I forget we had plans, when I feel like breaking down, ooh, you'd be there to hold my hand.
And a baby watermelon.
Oh, when I feel like
Clay would seriously sunbathe all day if I let him.
I got you.
Every morning I like to write out 3 things that I am grateful for, and then I also like to write out my to-do list, whether there's big things or little things that I need to accomplish, and then I write out my top 3 things that I want to accomplish for the day, and I check it off as I go.
Make a mess. Get so drunk I don't make sense. You're right there, cool me down. Oh, every time I need to.
And on weekdays, I still am working from home, so I start my day off at work, or if it's the weekend, I will go ahead and just relax or start things on my to-do list. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.